In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use multi-pinning in Google Meet. Multi-pinning lets you keep multiple participants front and center on your screen, which is perfect for panel discussions, sign language interpretation, or tracking a presenter and a shared screen at the same time. I'll walk you through joining your meeting and then show you two simple ways to pin and unpin people, all in a way that only changes what you see. Start by opening Google Calendar and locating the event for your meeting. From the event details, click Join with Google Meet. On the preview screen, take a moment to check your camera, microphone, and background if needed, then click Join Now to enter the meeting. Once you're in, here's the first way to pin someone. Move your cursor over the video tile of the person you want to keep visible. Click the More Options icon on their tile, then choose Pin to the screen. When prompted, select For Myself Only. That choice ensures your layout changes only for you, not for everyone else in the call. You'll see their video stay fixed in your layout. To multi-pin, simply repeat that same action on additional participants you want to follow. Your pin tiles will stay visible even as other people start talking. If you need to unpin someone, hover over their video again, open More Options, and choose Unpin. Their tile will return to the normal layout, and the rest of your meeting view will adjust accordingly. Here's the second way to do it, which is especially handy in large meetings. Click the People icon to open the participant list. Find the person you want to pin. Click the More Options icon next to their name and select For Myself Only. That pins them without having to hunt for their video tile in the grid. To remove the pin later, go back to their More Options in the People panel and click Unpin. A few quick tips as you use multi-pinning. You can pin more than one person, and Meet will arrange those videos together so they remain easy to follow. Your pins are private to you when you choose For Myself Only, so no one else's layout is affected. If you don't see the options, make sure you're using a supported browser and the desktop version of Google Meet, as the mobile interface may differ. And if your layout looks crowded, consider resizing your window or switching your layout so your pinned videos have more room. That's it. You've learned how to join a meeting and use two methods to pin and unpin participants, giving you a clear, focused view that matches how you like to work.